Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a rainbow, so let's get started. First, draw a cloud. Just following with me. Then, draw another cloud again. Now draw the eyes, a circle, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw the details. Inside with 3 lines. Another cloud the same too. Draw the mouth. Here too. Draw a curve here. Draw a curve again. Draw 7 curves. Now we have a cute rainbow. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.